Dave and Earnin both help users access money before their next paycheck, but they handle repayment differently because Dave works through its extra cash feature while Earnin is built around accessing earned wages before payday. By the end, you'll know how Dave and Earnin compare, how repayment works with each app, and which option fits better depending on how you manage short-term cash needs. The main difference is the way each app connects to your income. Dave provides access to extra cash advances for eligible users, while Earnin allows users to access money based on wages they have already earned. Dave is designed around a broader financial app experience. Along with extra cash, Dave includes features connected to budgeting and account management. This means it can be useful for users who want one app that combines cash access with money tracking tools. Earnin focuses more directly on paycheck access. The app connects to your work, income information and allows eligible users to access part of their earned wages before their regular payday. Repayment timing is a key factor with both apps. These services are designed around short-term access, meaning the money you receive is generally expected to be repaid when your next income arrives, or according to the app's repayment process. That means you should check the exact repayment date before accepting an advance. A faster payout today can create a tighter budget later if the repayment comes before you are ready. The better choice depends on your situation. Dave may fit users who want cash access combined with budgeting features. Earnin may fit users who mainly want access to wages they have already earned before payday. Neither app should be treated like a replacement for regular income. The best use case is covering a temporary gap and having a clear plan for repayment. Before choosing either app, compare the total cost, repayment schedule, eligibility requirements, and any optional fees. The fastest way to get money is not always the cheapest option, if the repayment timing creates another financial problem. The key points are simple. Dave and Earnin both provide early access to money. Dave offers a wider financial app experience, while Earnin focuses on earned wage access. Your best option depends on whether you need budgeting tools or direct paycheck-based access. The next step is to review both apps and check which repayment schedule matches your next paycheck cycle before requesting money. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other finance app comparisons before choosing your next money tool.